Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crochet, back in a cup with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. Now in this video I will be showing you guys how to do the butterfly locks. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that post notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Now if you are new to Trouble, hey bitch. And if you are old to Trouble, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't done so, please don't forget to check out some of my old videos or let me know in the comments down below what else you guys want to see. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have my Instagram name linked in the description below, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And like I said again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I will make the next video that I post, since I didn't have that much hair, I will make a butterfly lock tutorial, but I will give it more detail. And this way just be showing, in this video I just was basically showing you guys how you guys can do the butterfly locks using crochet needle, and that's what I did. I just basically braided the hair down and then I used a crochet needle. But I ain't gonna hold you guys full from getting straight into this video. Now in this video I will be showing you guys how to do the butterfly locks. I will be using and demonstrating on this mannequin that I got from my beauty supply store here. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Let's get straight into this video. These twists are basically old, but I'm gonna redo it. It just is basically like I pre-recorded a video, but I didn't like it, so I was like, I'm forgetting. I'm gonna just start over. So yeah, we don't have to worry about these ones. But what I basically did was, you know, parted and braided it first, and I just parted it and braided it first. I hate the fact that the mannequin hair is just so soft. Like, it just soft, like some fresh bundles that when you try to braid your hair at night and then slip out, yes, that kind of soft. It's irky. So what you want to do is basically braid the parts or the sections, however big or small you want the sections is. Just braid it first. You will need a crochet needle and the Freetress wet and wavy, you know, hair. guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notifications so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. And this is the results of the butterfly locks. So yes.
This one to give.
Yes, hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But and this is the results. I'm sorry that I had messed this one up. This one is really messed up because I'm literally all out of hair. So I will be showing a part 2. I will be showing a part 2 of the butterfly lock so that way you guys can see it, you know, more detail. I will give it more detail and you know, a better one than this one. Other than that, all the rest of them is okay. It's cute, but this one is all looking crazy. You see that? That's basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hit that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. And that is all. Thank you guys.
Okay, bye.